You gonna make me come over there? I said, get in the car. Come on. No, you ain't with me. I said, get in the car. We got some business to discuss. Come on, get your ass in the car. What you talking about?
And they quick too. Yeah. Going all places.
Fix this girl.
Yeah. That was a smart move. Like, one beating me, I'll take your car.
In the security ward, Newark City Hospital. My father, Frank McCarthy, chaplain here at the hospital.